Apple cider vinegar contains probiotics if you buying it with the mother, unfiltered. Anyway, it will help you to have a healthy gut health, and also you can use it for different things like sore throat, allergy, toenail fungus, and there's more other benefits too as well. So I decided to make it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. Here's the thing that is really crazy in the United States, that the thing that is less processed, which means takes little effort to do, which like just like apple cider here. When I make apple cider, literally it contains the mother, and naturally you can just filter very little, and it will contains probiotics, and it's much healthier for you than the one that already filtered on the left. But it doesn't take any more effort um, to filter less or filter more. It's literally very little difference, but they're charging 3 times as much, which is which is really crazy. In this recipe, I am using the kombucha mother to speeding up the fermentation process, to bringing to the vinegar stage faster. But if you don't have that, you can still use just water, apple cider vinegar, and sugar. It will take a little longer than if you would use with the mother. It's gonna need like 2 minutes, okay, babe?